Some Windows users are reporting that the Windows Security stopped working or not opening. Windows Security, or Windows Defender, is the default antivirus and security solution available with Windows. In most cases, Windows Security doesn't open and work after Windows Update was installed or after upgrading to Windows 11. In this video I will show you step-by-step guide on how to fix Windows Security not opening or not working on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So, let us start. Method 1. Reinstall using PowerShell command. Open the search box and type Windows PowerShell inside the text box. You must run it as administrator. Once you're inside the elevated PowerShell window, paste the following command and press Enter to reset the Windows Store certification. After the command is run successfully, launch Windows Security and see if the problem is fixed. If the problem is still not resolved, try the next fix. Method 2. Reset the Windows Security app. Windows Security is storing cached data, so resetting the Windows Security app should fix the problem. Open the Start menu. Open up the Settings menu of your Windows computer. Click on the Apps icon from the menu on the left. Next, move to the right section and click on Installed Apps. Once you're inside the Installed Apps menu, scroll down through the list and locate Windows Security. Also, you can use the search functionality at the top to make your job easier. Once you locate Windows Security, click on the action icon, 3-dot, then click on Advanced Options. Inside the Advanced Options of Windows Security, scroll down to the Reset tab, then click on the Reset button. At the confirmation prompt, confirm and wait until the operation is complete. Now see if Windows Security is accessible. I hope this video will help you to fix Windows Security not opening or working problem. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.